Car camping has been a cherished pastime for us, and over the years, one thing we've learned is the importance of being well prepared for any situation. So since our past few car camping trips, we've been carrying the JQ P3750 jump starter and the Jomgan JQ3500 jump starter. We've used the two jump starters extensively and tested them to the limit, so in this comprehensive review, we'll share our experience with both jump starters, including real-life experiences, tests we've conducted, and how these gadgets have become so important on our journeys. Starting with the unboxing, the JQ P3750 jump starter revealed a bunch of accessories beside the main device. We found the jump starter clamps, a flexible inflatable hose, multiple DC adapters, nozzle adapters for inflatables, high-quality USB-C to USB-C and USB-A to USB-C cables, all neatly organized properly along with a comprehensive user manual. This one surely feels beefy to hold, and it's no wonder why. It's a powerhouse with 8 functions, far exceeding the typical capabilities of jump starters and tire inflators. The JQ3500 comes with this sleek box with these accessories. The reason for keeping this one was simply as a spare. If by any chance the JQ P3751 fails, we will have a backup. Even so, we use this one for other smaller tasks like charging our phones and other camping accessories. Our first impressions on both jump starters were positive, with the durable build, versatile accessories and compact size making them a valuable addition to our camping gear. The included user manuals provided clear instructions which seemed pretty straightforward for those who are unfamiliar with jump starters. We were so impressed by this jump starter's performance that we decided to conduct some tests. First, we used it to jumpstart a friend's car with a completely drained battery. The JQ P3750 did the job swiftly, confirming its reliability. Same goes with the JQ 3500. It's worth mentioning that both jump starters can easily revive 10-liter gasoline or 8.5-liter diesel engines. Now, if you talk about our real-life experience with these, we took them through a bunch of camping expeditions. The JQ P3750, rated at an impressive 3750 amp peak current, has proven itself on some of the most remote trails. One particular incident stands out when we were exploring a secluded trail miles away from any help. So, it was late in the evening and we had ventured deep into a silent forest. After a day of exploration, our car battery died out of nowhere. We used the JQ P3750 jump starter and revived the car pretty easily. Thanks to the 3750A peak current, it can effortlessly start up at an 8.5-liter diesel engine. Another aspect of this model is it can inflate our flat tires, so no worries there as well. This versatile tool can inflate tires up to 150 psi, which seems enough for even loaded trucks. The JQ P3750 also served as a power bank to recharge our smartphones and other devices. It's got a 26,000 mAh battery and USB ports, which we found to be very handy. The USB-C to USB-C cable ensured fast charging, and the power delivery feature also met our expectations, as we could recharge the jump starter in just 1.6 hours. Now let's talk about the Jomgan JQ35 jump starter. Rated at 3500 amps with a 24,000 mAh battery, this compact powerhouse has its own set of impressive features. Curious about its capabilities, we decided to conduct some tests of our own. Firstly, we used it to jumpstart a neighbor's massive 6.5-liter diesel car which had a completely dead battery. The Jomgan JQ3500 proved its mettle by starting the beast without breaking a sweat. While on another camping trip, we stopped at a remote gas station in the middle of nowhere. When we were about to leave, the car would not start. The bigger one was also drained as we used it to recharge our camping devices, so as we said before, the Jomgan JQ3500 was our just-in-case moment. With its 3500 amps, it had no trouble jump-starting our 6.5-liter turbocharged gasoline engine despite the chilly temperature. With its 24,000 mAh battery capacity, this one also can be used as a power bank. The 100-watt lithium battery booster provided the necessary power, and it did not let us down. Both the JQ P3750 and the Jomgan JQ350 jump starters are equipped with advanced safety features, ensuring peace of mind during every use. These features include reverse polarity protection, spark-proof technology, and multiple safety protection technologies. These safety features are essential, especially during critical situations when jump-starting a vehicle. They gave us the confidence to use the devices without worrying about potential mishaps, ensuring that we could get back on the road or continue enjoying our camping trip without any safety concerns. We once gave the JQ3500 to a friend who had never used a jump starter before. He accidentally connected the jump starter clamps incorrectly. It could have been a disaster, but thanks to the mistake-free design of the Jomgan JQ3500, there were no sparks or damage. Both devices feature reverse polarity and spark-proof technology, making them user-friendly even for beginners. In conclusion, both the JQ P3750 and the Jomgan JQ3500 jump starters have become trusted travel companions on our car camping journeys. Their impressive power, versatility as power banks, and unwavering reliability have saved us from numerous sticky situations and enhanced our camping experiences. So that was a review of the Jomgan JQ3500 and the Jomgan JQ3750 jump starters. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comment sections down below and share this video if you find it to be helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website at goooutdoorzone.com.